Thank you very much. I'm called Abang George, the founder and the Chief Executive Officer of the 17 years old Limbe-based human rights organization known as the Association for the Protection of Women's and Children's Rights, APWCR, based in Cameroon, Limbe. I'm very, very happy with all and delighted with the presentation you're doing. The challenge is that for the 17 years, our organization last year, we were fortunate to have the United Nations Economic and Social Council special consultative status. We've been working hard to see how we promote human rights. Our organization in Cameroon, we have a weekly Human Rights in Action radio program, interactive, where we use the international, the United Nations, and regional instruments on human rights to promote human rights in our community, and more specifically focusing on the rights that concern persons with disability. We also receive complaints from individuals who are alleged that their rights have been abused. We investigate and we intervene. Those cases which we can't handle them, we forward them to higher government officials for redress. But I also want to tell this civil society forum that it has not been easy. Some of these programs that we've been carrying, we are already a threat to the state. That has been proven in all our day-to-day threats in our office, where law enforcement officers meet us safely and said that we are not supposed to do this. For example, when people, civilians, protest for actions, like quite right now in Cameroon, the Northwest and the Southwest region is children have not been going to schools for 5 months today. We have lawyers have not been going to court. The judicial system is terrible. Talking Abang, I happened to forward a case to higher government officers, which was reported to our office for redress. But I'm sorry to tell this forum that I'm a victim. I've been dragged to court because it simply concerns a magistrate. We have been dragged to court, and even the absence on the 31st, we urged the judiciary to give us an opportunity for a lawyer, which was not accepted, and they forced us down on the 31st that the judgment will be on the 1st, which caused me to flee Tango much that with the status I was opportunity to have a U.S. visa, flee through Nigeria, where to attend this important meeting. To talk about promotion of human rights in Cameroon is a very big threat. Activists have been termed as, they can put all sort of names, call you terrorists, because you stand to talk the truth. This was being proven with a good number of people who they asked us the right time. The government seized internet for close to 2 months in our region, and when I was being interviewed in our office, they asked George what is in the line of human rights and civil society organization. We said no. The government too has also joined the community because people who are not sending children to school because of other issues. We think that the government is supposed to address that, which they have abandoned. They're forcing day-to-day intimidation, harassment, arrest, arbitrary arrest, and people are always in jail. They transfer them from one region to the central prison in Yaoundé, which they call Kondenge. The issue, even right now, you can see a judge, a Supreme Court judge who is still there, lavishing of 5 months, and others are there, continuous adjournment, and they are still there. As I'm sitting here like this, I just called back home. They said even in my absence on the 1st, a judgment was even passed, and that my organization, Association for the Protection of Women and Children's Rights, has been suspended for 4 years, and I have been jailed for four years because of human rights. And my life, my family are threatened for close to 17 years that I embrace human rights. I will be promoting in rural communities. Today, I'm being termed by the state as somebody who has been doing the right. So this is the situation at Tango Moja. Before this in the office, we are registered for this forum. And I pray to my board that they should make sure that I come and I try to give the situation that is happening in Cameroon. Talking about the people with disability, it is a terrible hazard. The judicial system, more specifically in the Southwest and Northwest region, is this. If you have a problem, they just take you, the magistrate and the state council and all government officers, they can just hold their verdict in their office and they jail you. People are crying, and I'm praying that if there is a means that United Nations can help to see how they can bring back so that lawyers should go back to court, pressurize the government to go back to court, and then make sure that children go back to school, it will be the best thing. Thank you very much.
When injustice becomes law, resistance becomes a duty. The people of West Cameroon have a duty to resist your oppression.